Losing everything, your wealth, your assets, your business. It's every entrepreneur's nightmare. But what if I told you that losing it all doesn't mean it's over? In fact, it could be the first step toward rebuilding and even getting richer than before. So if I lost everything today, here's exactly what I'd do to get rich again. No shortcuts, no gimmicks, just the strategies, so let's watch the full video till the end. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Step 1. Reset your mindset. Could a shift in thinking be your biggest asset? When you lose everything, it's not just your bank account that takes a hit, it's your confidence too. The first thing I do is embrace the loss, accept responsibility, and let go of any blame or regrets. Why? Because dwelling on the past wastes precious energy that should be focused on creating a brighter future. A strong mindset isn't just helpful, it's the foundation of rebuilding success. Changing your mindset isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous process. I'd remind myself every day that setbacks are temporary and that resilience is key to bouncing back stronger. Surrounding myself with positive influences would help keep my energy high and my focus sharp. A clear mind is a powerful tool that guides every decision, leading you towards success with confidence. Step 2. Take inventory of what you still have. What hidden resources might you be overlooking? Even if it feels like you've lost everything, there are always assets you can leverage. Skills, connections, and knowledge don't disappear. I make a list of all the tools I still have. Marketable skills, friends or mentors who can guide me, and even small personal possessions that could be sold to fund my comeback. You'd be amazed how much value lies in what you already know or own. This is a moment of opportunity. I'd also consider any past work or achievements that could serve as building blocks for future success. By reflecting on past wins, I could reignite the drive and confidence to push forward. Step 3. Secure immediate income. How would you start earning money right away? The first goal is survival. I'd find any opportunity to bring in cash fast, even if it's outside my expertise. This might mean taking a temporary job, freelancing, or joining the gig economy. Platforms like Upwork, TaskRabbit, or even driving for a rideshare service can help generate quick cash flow while I plan for bigger opportunities. Immediate income is like oxygen. It keeps you afloat while you figure out your next move. While working for quick cash, I keep an eye out for sustainable income streams that align with my long-term goals. This could mean diversifying income by freelancing in different niches or even exploring passive income ideas like blogging or affiliate marketing. I'd also consider ways to monetize any existing assets, like renting out extra space, selling unused items, or offering online services. Every little bit of income helps build momentum toward the bigger picture. Step 4. Network like never before. Could the right connections open doors to new opportunities? They say your network is your net worth, and they're absolutely right. I'd reconnect with every meaningful contact I've ever made, not to ask for handouts, but to share my journey and seek advice. Networking events, online communities, and LinkedIn are gold mines for meeting people who can offer guidance, referrals, or even partnerships. Remember, sometimes it's who you know that makes all the difference. I'd focus on building authentic, mutually beneficial relationships, offering help and value to others without expecting immediate returns. True connections are built over time through trust and collaboration. By surrounding myself with the right people, I'd ensure access to opportunities, knowledge, and mentorship. Step 5. Learn a high-demand skill. What skill could instantly boost your earning potential? In today's world, certain skills are worth their weight in gold. Coding, digital marketing, sales, and graphic design are just a few examples. I'd choose one, dedicate a few months to intense learning, and start offering my services online. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube are free or low-cost ways to master new skills that can earn you top dollar. I break down the learning process into bite-sized chunks to avoid overwhelm. Consistent daily progress, even if it's just 30 minutes a day, can lead to significant improvements. Once proficient, I begin offering my services on platforms like Fiverr or reaching out directly to potential clients. Step 6. Start a low-cost side hustle. Could a small business idea change your life? Starting a business doesn't always require a huge investment. I look for side hustles that need minimal capital, like selling handmade items on Etsy, flipping products on eBay, or offering a local service like lawn care or cleaning. These ventures not only generate income, but also lay the groundwork for bigger entrepreneurial dreams. By starting small, I could test the market without a major financial risk. If the side hustle succeeds, it could eventually evolve into a full-time business. Even if the hustle seems small, the skills, confidence, and lessons learned can set the stage for larger business ventures. Every entrepreneurial journey begins with the first step. Starting small can lead to big opportunities in the future. Step 7. Save ruthlessly and build a safety net. Why is saving more important than spending? When rebuilding from scratch, every dollar counts. I live on the bare minimum, cutting out all unnecessary expenses and directing every spare cent into savings. This isn't about deprivation. It's about creating a safety net to protect against future setbacks. Even saving a few dollars a day can add up quickly, giving you the security to take calculated risks later. I consider setting up automatic savings to ensure that money is consistently being put aside. This removes the temptation to spend and makes saving a priority. By reducing expenses, I could also reallocate funds to invest in future growth, whether it's courses, tools, or resources that further enhance my skills and business. Step 8. Invest wisely in your comeback. Where should you put your money to grow it? Once I've saved a small cushion, I'd start investing it strategically. Low-risk options like index funds or ETFs can grow your wealth steadily without the anxiety of high volatility. For quicker returns, I'd explore side investments like flipping items or buying into small, profitable ventures. The key is to make your money work for you, even while you sleep. I'd also consider investing in personal development books, seminars, or mentorships that can pay dividends in the form of enhanced skills and knowledge. Smart investments would also include diversifying into multiple assets, from stocks to real estate, ensuring I'm not overly dependent on one source of income. The goal is to slowly build wealth in a sustainable, risk-managed way. Step 9. Embrace failure and keep moving forward. What if your first attempts don't succeed? Failure is part of the process. I'd expect setbacks, learn from them, and use each stumble as a stepping stone. Resilience is the secret weapon of every successful comeback story. It's not about how many times you fall. It's about how many times you get back up. Every failure offers a lesson, whether it's understanding what didn't work or discovering new opportunities. I'd embrace failure as a vital part of the journey, knowing it builds strength and character. By keeping a positive attitude and focusing on long-term goals, I'd transform each failure into a motivational tool. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back, it's about using adversity to fuel future success. Step 10. Scale up and dream bigger. What's the final step in turning a small comeback into massive success? Once the foundation is secure, I'd focus on scaling up. Whether it's expanding a side hustle into a full-fledged business, investing in real estate, or launching a passion project, the goal is to dream bigger and take calculated risks. Scaling requires persistence, creativity, and a willingness to push beyond comfort zones. I'd look for ways to automate and delegate tasks, allowing me to focus on high-level strategies for growth. With a strong team and systems in place, scaling becomes a more manageable and rewarding process. As I scale, I'd also expand my network, invest in new marketing strategies, and seek opportunities for collaboration. Dreaming bigger means thinking outside the box and exploring untapped potential for growth. What would you do if you lost everything today? Do you have a strategy to rebuild? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to thrive even in the toughest situations. The road to success is never easy, but with the right plan, you can rise again.